It has to be early. It has to be part of your initial strategy. If you build a product for Vietnam and it fits perfectly for Vietnam, it's been designed around Vietnam needs, that's going to be hard to put it aside, even in Thailand or Philippines market that are around. It's not the same behavior, the same way of thinking, the same way of paying, the same way of contracting with someone. So if you don't design your product to be at some extent scalable globally, low chance that you'll make anything from a local product out. It can be very successful locally, and sometimes it's worth not to go global and just really focus on your domestic market. If you've got a gem domestically, then you could sell it out as an entrepreneur later on to a bigger company. But you need to be strong at some point, so don't go too early. Go global, but go global by design. Don't go global by opportunity. It's not going to work. And I've seen thousands with different incubator roles I'm having for different startups. I see a lot of company, failing in or being too ambitious in trying to reach out markets they have no clue about. Be strong where you are first, and then potentially take the time to scale up, or design your product to be scalable right away, and go to Singapore, to Europe, to US early, so you start to be global from early stage. That's the two pathways somehow.